Hi guys, apologise for the lack of videos lately on what's going on with the project. The current position on the engine is that I'm just waiting for the fuel tank to be ready to put back in the car, and then once it's ready to go back in the car, get it in, and then the engine can go back in, because on 10 you've got to have the engine out to get the fuel tank out, so it's just a bit of a pain. But in the meantime, obviously the dirt in the tank was causing all sorts of havoc, because it was getting the carburettor, going into all the jets, going into the float bowl. There's actually a little bit of crud still in there now, and obviously brand new liners, pistons, everything inside the engine cleaned up. The last thing you want is to have all sorts of grit getting in there and basically just causing a little bit of damage here and there. You just don't want it. So in the stage where I can't really do anything else, I've taken the liberty of taking this all to pieces, rebuild it. Hang on. Okay, oil pressure test. Right, so we've got no plug leads plugged in at all. There's a bit of oil in the bores. We should have it above the position we need it in there. Turn the ignition lights on. Right, what lights have we got on there?
We have the orange one and the green one.
Right, I can't remember which way round it is, so I have to just find out whichever light goes off. I'm trying to get it so I can see both lights, but it's not happening. I can see one, I think it's the orange one. Right, just literally crank it over.
Okay.
No, press the button. Whoa, stop. That's what.
The pressure light's going out straight away.
Excellent, that's really good. Right, try again. Yep, sprayed that down it. Good answer. Try it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Started!
That bloody started! Try it. Try again. Come on. Try that again. 2, 1. Here we go, guys. Got the old water bottle up there. It's running absolutely sweet as that so far. Bit of the bowings on the exhaust, but I need to sort the flange out on the downpipe, so that's not a worry. Right, he's running absolutely glorious so far. Got plenty go out of there, so that's bonus. Now check the matrix now, and the idea here is to get everything up to temperature. At the moment, the top hose is completely empty. It's not a good thing. Joy. Top, yeah. Toffee's nice and warm, so I can feel it on that. So yeah, we need to start bleeding out. Hey! He moves under his own steam. He's now out of this lovely deep end corner. Go for a little ride, shall we? All the way to the back end here. Just getting him back out the garage. But running absolutely sweet as a nut. So proud of myself right now. Happy days. Guys, we've bloody done it. He's just driven out the garage. Look at that. He's just driven out the garage. Look at that. Absolutely phenomenal. Sounds bloody gorgeous. Exhaust is blowing a little bit and there is a loose tappet that is driving me a little bit insane. But I've done it. I've bloody done it. I've rebuilt the engine and I've just taken him out the garage on his own power for the first time since I put him in there, coming up 4.5 months ago. Honestly, I'm speechless right now. I'm so happy. It sounds lovely. I'm bloody proud to say I've rebuilt that engine. I really am. So proud. Look at that. Look at that. Beauty. That's my boy. There we have it, guys. Beautiful. Bit of tuning and it will sound even better, alright?